here is a before. After when you're finished, this is how it will be look like. Alright, let's get started. First things first, let's go ahead and grab the white spray paint and then spray inside this turbine. When you remove it, you will have a perfect circle. Excellent. Now, so you know how big of the cut that you need to cut it. Alright, so I like to start from the middle to the other end, and then I will start from another middle to the other sides opposites of the circle. Alright, and then crisscross cut it. That's simple. Okay, no rocket science over here. Alright, so by the way, this is my car garage. The reason why I'm installing this, because in summertime when my car garage closed, it's get really hot inside, and you know I get sweat so easy when I work on the car in the garage. So I'll just go ahead and install this ventilation. Alright, I mean, in here it is kind of look easy, but you do have to use a little bit of muscle of the saw while you're pushing it. I will not say it's too easy, I will not say it's not too difficult either. Alright, so now I almost finished with small pieces cut for my circle, and now when I'm done, I'm just going to grab my turbine, just install the underneath of the shingle. Alright, this screw right here I use on this turbine, make sure the exterior screw. Alright, and then make sure you need to level it up. So make sure you grab it, go ahead and level, and make sure it just level. Alright, I need a screwdriver. Hey brother, can you go ahead and pass me a screwdriver? Oh, thank you, good catch. Alright, so now I'm going to lift it up just a little bit. You see how it's my middle circle? Yep, there right there need to be level like that, so I can install the other piece of my turbine. Alright, now I'm going to remove my level in a minute. Alright, so make sure after you install it, and then you put those caulking, black tar caulking around the turbine, so that way you won't have no water leak when it has a heavy rain. Now I just finished installing the top piece, so make sure you tighten this screw right here after you position your level, and then this couple of screws around the turbine.